So welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this movement on our Swiss franc JPY, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. So Swiss franc JPY is giving us bullish move. It's giving us a movement to the upside, right? Now take a look at this movement here. We first had this high, and here comes the higher low. Then silver was Swiss franc JPY eventually was able to push up and give us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Swiss franc JPY eventually pushed up to give us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? See, Swiss franc JPY eventually pushed up and gave us a new higher high, and currently market is dropping to form a new higher low, right? So we should still be expecting a further sell. After that movement, then a bullish move will down. So guys, expect Swiss franc JPY to give us a pullback, which will be bullish. Reason why we are going to be expecting that bullish move is that when you take a look at your trend on your Swiss franc JPY, you can clearly see that the trend says we are in a downtrend move. That is on the current trend. Remember, we have the main trend, which is the full bigger trend, which is an uptrend move. But when you zoom it in and you look at your current trend, it is on the downtrend move, which is your first low and your lower high. This is your lower low, and this is your lower high. This here is also seen as the lower low, and here comes the lower high, right? And here is the lower low. So with this movement, you should expect market to pull back and give us a lower high. So once market is able to push up and give us a lower high, another lower low is likely going to play out on Swiss franc JPY. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on any single update, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.